Smell that? It's time for a swing dance reaction video.
No, no, no.
Woo! Greetings and salutations. Welcome to Street Smart Swing. My name is Jamin Jackson, also known as the Galactic Swing Dance Umpire! And I am super elated to be scrutinizing another video for you today. But first, make sure you subscribe and headbutt that notification button so you never miss a video ever again. I am super excited because today I'm going to be talking about my greatest of all time, Lindy Hopper's list. And today, one of the greats I'm going to be talking about is Chance Bushman. There are so many reasons why I love this dancer's movement. I can't even put it all the way into words. So I'm just gonna let you see what I appreciate so much. And then we're gonna talk about it. When I watch this dancer, There's so many emotions that come into my mind. There's so much that I have to try to put into words. That's what I'm trying to say. This dancer's dancing is so raw and gritty and cool. He reminds me of if Jamiroquai ever did Lindy Hop, this would be who this guy is. And I will say, you got to add one more person. I think of Gambit from the X-Men. I guess it's because he's Cajun. I don't know. I guess because Chance lives in New Orleans. But you put those two together, and that's literally, for me, Chance Bushman when it comes to swing dance. On so many levels, he takes what I love so much about the rawness of Lindy Hop, and he does it in multiple ways. It's not just in solo dancing, it's not just in partner dancing, it's not just on the streets dancing out and where people can see him, nor is it just in like the circuit of doing performances and competitions at all these big events. He is the same consistent, gritty dancer in all of those formats. And that's really hard to do. That's really hard to accomplish when you are, let's say, competing in the circuit, where you kind of have to have this conformist idea. You got to kind of look to whoever is the style and kind of emulate that if you want to get ahead. I don't feel at all this dancer does this. Not at all. I feel whenever I watch his dancing, there's a consistency and grit and coolness that is just super hard to emulate. In fact, if I see a silhouette of his dancing, I know who it is. He's got the prettiest swing out of all time. My favorite swing out of all dancers. Just because there's just this gritty, raw feeling to it. I don't know any other way to say it. That's why he is on my all-time greatest list. When I was trying to figure out like how Lindy Hop worked, you know, and I was looking towards those dancers who could maybe explain the dance in a very clear way, or they had very fluid movements, he was always the one that would distract me. I would always be going, yeah, this is great. I'm going to learn this in my class. But then I'd see a jam circle and I'd go, man, who's that? You know, I had a hip hop background and I was looking for the rawness. I wasn't looking for the polished formality. I was looking for this spirit that really is the foundation of swing dancing. It's that sense of improvisation and ingenuity. And this dancer has it. By far one of the greatest dancers of all time. Now, the great thing about this is that we have technology where you can look this dancer up and you can find him dancing mostly on the streets of New Orleans. That's how cool he is. So check out Chance Bushman, guys. He's one of my all-time favorites. I'm not sure if he's offering any types of classes online. I don't know what's going on, but you should look him up. You should check him out. He's worth your time and your investment. So anyway, what did you guys think about Chance Bushman's dancing? He's one of the greatest of all time for me. I don't care what you say. If you're a hater or a lover, this is my opinion. So let me hear your opinion below. If you guys are not into swing dancing yet, you should get involved. It is not that hard. I spent over 10,000 hours trying to demystify the complexity of this dance so that any person could just start and get good as fast as they want. Now, I encourage you first to check out some of those free lessons below. It's about 30 of them that will give you an opportunity to start learning some of the things that I teach and the creative movements that I work on so that you can eventually feel comfortable swing dancing even at home. So with that said, folks, let me know what you guys thought about Chance Bushman's dancing below. And if I don't see your comments below, hopefully I get a chance to see you in one of my classes online. Take care.